And then Yankofo ya Adom 16th Saturday yai ye bigirem e National Theatre inti hia ye. Ebra so say ye sign edi nkomo na menya Jason and Juliet right e wo aha na wo mo efri eye Adom City Estate de bia meka se baby a wo betete wo ba no ehia wo ukohia wo environment bi a kwabra ne obi na no obi aye mahye no dim se get obi pa no wetena nyini ye enti besere wo pe baby papa na fa wo magu on sa hoboa no sonko ade a pe community papa bi na tete wo ma wo ma me ko mo de ani nkomo ye hwede enti a e wo se ye ne wo mo edi djuma penifo mama kwa ba
yeah onya
and them the tree better we say the Jason I say tree no oh sheda nko ye be ka ne pepepe ye beti ase pj kura say ye mo ka ye ti ase online do enti eni nkomo Adom City Estate Jason me say mfi ho Adom City Estate I get him say real estate companies na doso why should I come to you the enti na mo ho na wo say me ba na me mo be di nkita ho be ye hye
medical chair for Niasha. Na Adom City Estate. The India was a buy one is they say a Ghana or mining my ding. Nanso, as will be a baby ordinity better. Yen, yet ye see any to say, you be provided affordable housing. A dia at that form. I say, Sebe, average Ghanaian, a bit me and you be. Into Adom City there, or buy a while. Prices need that form. Ope dine, ye mau, ope assassin, ye be mau. Say 2 bedrooms. That form fala ukrat. You so you just see this. And yet
$1 charge dollars.
David. Say you Ghana.
That's why ba my. Ko be koni above $150,000 single room na yam do.
Hey, you know theater. By you just see this. Okay. From 300,000 cedis you be in 2-bedroom house. Oh.
Say na me kwa beti matu.
Wait na say Brian hono. Obi
ya be 3 billion ya.
Can you get 3 billion?
Oh, when me be dibi. You be rent it. Wow.
The prices in there that form. You want from 1 bedroom I go see 5 bedrooms. I don't see it. Into the OPBI it will be more.
Okay. Okay. Mama call Juliet or 1 bedroom to 5 bedrooms. Yeah. Moje Ghana cedis $8. Okay. Ye pesi ye ba, but you all more proximity to the office. Pursue who more community no e was side ben
okay enti Adom City ya adwen say because ye pese obia e benti no ye be various locations ye wo ba ko kasoa
okay
budumbram opa budumbram aye wo ho se wo ba damfa every side hono
ne say every here be to buti yes
thank you yes. Very nice environment oba beto yen wo ho oba community 25 behind Dev Traco e hona ye biggest estates nipa you see over 1,000 affordable houses amankrofo and we are still building so call come to 22 Mathaiko hot oven in Chenwa and Wabi so a very nice location and why ye ton e de mankrofo me pacha wo kokuntu Sikumasi road so so a obenya Adom City e wo ho na osan so ba Apollonia oyibi so a Adom City ye bie ye site kese pa wo ho enti me gidi say said you be a pebia no with all these locations e ye den a obenya location a ope
mama Jason Adan ko ana me pass asase no so mbenya ho hyehyere ama me
asase de bibre
oh okay
na Adom City dey say edi ni ensase papa fie bibre gu ho
Adom ankasa de me kasa Adom de wo de Adom to ho so na nya papa na enti ase Adom ya Adom
asase de bibre see dem sister kai ko kaso a egu ho bibre
Ankrata so wo ho we nya manso nsem na langa de sem
bia title de Adom City bi nzen de enya asem kaso a e obi wo ho se ne yokan e ko community 22 ho hot oven ho e ho kra ye 2 sites baby di gbechile na baby so hot oven nche ho e ho kra ye 2 na o san so ko Shy Hills a ye san so wo asase wo ho
wow
say the assassin there were 4 locations here to
Julie mo estate ni mo no what are some of the amenities because obi ba opesu ohun sa ha me betene proximity to dwam sorry schools my hu said the hotel
okay so mami UC come to 25 the biggest estate as an example say Ufi Savannah Junction by estate ma even within our estate first ubenya schools
okay
ubenya hospitals gym area wo ho community markets wo ho Just think about his grocery shops. I say everything that are here a comfortable community life. You don't need to go far. No ubenya woho. Enti pharmacies, restaurants. Then I wash share. Bibia here for a comfortable living there. Badwam City Estate. Yeah woho. So they're making gym crowd woho. Exercise no. Because of the security no. So we call you what ahomachi. Obe who say penifon no. Omo jogging around. Omo call up and down. We have made a very community. I say obi biara obebiano. So oba we are there for.
Let's say it is a kromu anamato. Wow,
a community.
Okay.
Within a community.
Okay.
That's just what I say.
Yeah, security wise, it is a na kwabrane wo tie state pass obi akwo ne sekan atete tibi wo mayi mu ama e ho nsama bibie ho mu security to say.
Okay, so yeah wo in-house security. I from Adom securities. Omo de da no e soldiers for.
Okay.
Ina ye di omo atintu kwa ye head of security kwa ye do BO1. So what we do is so what by your estate there you see that we have grouped the houses in phases. They will phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. Phase 5, even up to phase 6. And apart from say Ura main entrance, now you was security post with a security no. Every phase biya no ye twa wall afa ho.
Okay.
In na ye di security
asatena no so
ano. Enti ure mu a o car area but so security wo ho. Even a time will come crampo na say ube rema say only pa kono wo inside no or ma wo permission say bra crampo it will be difficult for you to enter. That is how we have made a security. So every face bia no security post wo ho with a security guard. Security post wo ho with a security guard. In the main entrance also urema and so security post. That is how we have secured the place for.
Jason, may dem contact mo.
Okay. They say Adom City so person oba your head office in person you were East Legon.
Okay.
You been East Legon police station. So ye omo ma be omo pe Google map Google location. Number 35 Jani Ashi Street. Ubo woman beba. And Adom Group corporate office at Obeba Street.
Okay.
Then so ope your numbers me de mi ankaza me number betuja. Then you know my friend.
Depending for no direction na simple.
I say be bia me ya no ama. It's 0509 562 543. Mrs. Subium 0509 562 543. It's me frame in the ending kita. Question be obia.
Obebusa ma wayi anu ama no. Wow. Julie, bibi o hono mo a ye beka bio.
So me pese me kire wetie phone nyina say Christmas starts early at Adom City Estate. You start in October. Yeah, 50% cash discount on all our houses.
Hey. 50%.
50. Oh, the mama mean 50,000. Sorry, 50,000 cash discount on all our houses.
Let's see. The bank is not correct.
And the young fan is also 2-bedroom house 300,000. Oba. Nase oban within the Christmas promotion year. You start in October. You be ending in January 31st.
Okay.
Oba now kita 300,000 your budget 250 na 50,000 no fakodi new year.
Hey. Much 500 million.
Yeah, 50,000 fakodi new year. Enti in fact say oba na say open 3-bedroom house 550,000 Ghana cedis. So oba within the Christmas promotion and no say budget 500 na the 50,000 am I say fakwa wenum.
But me we no here me sisi no bibusa obi wo abrochire ese nka ne na na ye me disca brem wo faase won si dan ma me otumi contact mo ma e bia obesend sika na back akra ma mo hu se ebo anu a obegye ne dan bibisa wo
enti mbese me kire say the fact say ye ka say 50,000 ye the be ma 215 it doesn't mean say for cash ne bra.
Okay,
so we have two types of payment plan. Let me explain both of them. Ye was self finance ena ye wo mortgage. Self finance ye wo a won pese obefa bank so na so wo pese wotua oba 60% initial deposit na 40% ya ma 1 year no interest.
Okay,
but mpacho atiefo notice say untumi san hyehyeye we ya obia e won financial preference enti freyen ene ye nkata twere say oh say na me wo me hwe ma ho oden ya say ni say na metumi di aba. Yentina say, let's discuss a payment plan that is comfortable to you, the client, and us.
Let's approach the mortgage. Ebi abaha
say, ye wagana mortgage. Me ye work clients be wa brochure. omo ankasa na omo banks a ebetimi amo musika no ye ne omo beye ejuma ina Ghana ha say so no ye workers bi wo ho a despite everything they can't afford that 50% and 60% no na so omo banks na companies are ready say ma mortgage and so krata sem biara wo hia wo ye ho a ye de be ma wo ana ye de ma wo bank no na obetumi ne omo ye ejuma no ye beye. But we've also partnered with some banks in Ghana.
Okay.
Republic Bank, Eco Bank, FNB, Prudential, Fidelity Bank,
okay.
Stanbic, Stanchart. All these banks we work with, and Ghana Commercial Bank, that's the GCB. We work with all these banks.
Okay.
But in case we miss our bank, we not say, oh, wow, bank. I said, we will do everything to make it a smooth process for you.
Yeah, that's
now, Patricia said, that I mean, we land, no, yeah, 10% discount.
And so I say no, 10% discount. Okay, Jason, number the bill. Number bed will be to me a friend.
But me the number bed to Jack. 0509 562 543. This is to be 0509 562 543.
Yeah, in the copper power bank. Now I don't want to number to Jadi. I guess and then so we are torn down. When you brow home for power, SMBI ceremony, a dani a ton. I will say, unless I'm penning for a free Adom City Estate in a buyer, per baby papa. Na Emma Oma Enyini. May corner happy birthday and Koma Jumtini Emilia Afa and Naya Wawoda. Happy birthday to you. Yankopon yo kasiye. Andy Black and so banker community senior high school your maths teacher ewo. Happy birthday to you. Honorable Ike Chopo. Happy birthday to you, me dododo. Yankopon yo kasiye. Wushia me a eya frame. I'm not sure ba. Ajwa